There are some people that what they love to do, nobody else can do it. But the question is, that hobby of yours, how profitable is it? How profitable has it been? How profitable could it ever be? And it's important we look into this. Even though our lives could begin from the things we love to do. Oh, I love to be quiet. I love to talk. I love to think. I love to write. I love to speak. I love to act. I love to make people laugh. I love to solve problems. The different things that we love to do. It could even be you love to play basketball or you love to play volleyball. Whatever you love to do, it's important that you understand that at the beginning, it's like you are training yourself. And so it comes easily to you and you give it out so cheaply or so freely to people around you. But you must understand that as you are growing, as you are gaining your experience and getting more exposure, you must be able to probe into the profitability and the viability of your hobbies. Are there things that you should continue or the things you should jettison for other profitable hobbies? Now, this time around, we are not even talking about business yet. We are beginning with the things that you love to do. Now, let's look at those things that you love to do. And I want to ask you this important question. Out of your many hobbies, can you come up with 3 that you think are profitable among them? Because for some people that are really at a point in their lives wondering what else can they do? How can they make money? How can they make impact? How can they be able to survive in a very difficult political, economic, and social climate? And then every time this kind of issue comes up, what is important that we understand as we seek to resolve the problem is to identify. If you are not able to find a gainful employment, something that brings you money, the question is, out of all the things you love to do, what are the 3 things that you can identify that are your top hobbies? The 3 things that you love to do and you would rather die than not doing them. So if you're able to find these 3 hobbies, the last question I would ask you is, how profitable are these 3 hobbies? If you probe the 3 hobbies and you are not able to find anyone that is profitable among them, then you need to continue the search to find your most profitable hobbies. As you do this, you will gradually get yourself to a point where you're able to identify things you love to do and that has the potential to bring you so much money, so much income, so much influence everywhere you find yourself. This is where we'll be hanging it in this particular video. Remember, the question is to find 3 most profitable hobbies of your life. The truth is, your hobbies could be 10, they could even be 12, they could be 5. But let's bring everything down to 3 of them. What are they? How profitable are they? Don't try to be emotional, try to face reality. And as you do this, I believe your life will be better. You will be more financially positioned to face the challenges of life, of your economy, and of your society. So the next time I bring you another interesting consideration on this same channel, I want you to remain curious and to be probing into your subconscious towards finding your profitable business. God bless you.